Imagine your boss walked up to you and said, "I'd like to give you $350,000. Most people would say, "Wow, that's nice. Where do I sign?" But every payday, millions of employees politely say, "No thanks." According to recent research, about 15% of eligible workers don't contribute anything to their 401k, and many others, about 34%, don't contribute enough to receive their employer's full match. That one decision could cost hundreds of thousands of dollars over a career. I almost made that same mistake. When I first started my corporate job, I didn't know anything about a 401k. Investing for retirement felt like something I'd worry about decades later. I remember sitting in a large conference room during our annual benefits meeting. I'll be honest, I wasn't paying much attention. I was thinking more about what I was going to eat for lunch. Then the HR lady said something that immediately caught my attention. "Our company offers a 100% match on your 4% contribution." Wait, did she just say free money? That was the moment I started researching what a 401k actually was. And once I understood it, signing up became one of the easiest financial decisions I ever made. Thanks for tuning in today. A 401k is one of the most powerful tools employees have to build wealth, but only if you understand how to use it correctly. In this video, I'm going to break down 4 things. How does it work? Why employer match is often called free money and other benefits. The limitations most people don't realize, and the important things you need to know before investing. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to avoid leaving money on the table. Let's first start with how it works. I'll use simple numbers to explain. Imagine your monthly salary is $10,000. Before you receive your paycheck, your employer already deducts things like taxes and health insurance. In this example, your take-home net is $7,500. A 401k works the same way. You choose a percentage of your paycheck to go into your retirement account automatically. Say you decide to contribute 4%, your paycheck now looks like this. Your monthly gross pay is $10,000. Your employer takes $2,000 deduction for taxes and $500 for health insurance. Another $400 is deducted from your paycheck and put into your 401k. That $400 is invested for your future before it reaches your checking account. So you end up with $7,100 net pay. So why would you want to do this? There are 3 big benefits. Benefit number 1, it lowers your taxes today. Same example, your annual pay is $120,000. Normally, that's your taxable income. But if you contribute $10,000 to a traditional 401k, your taxable income drops to $110,000. That means you pay less taxes. Benefit number 2, tax-deferred growth. Once your money is inside your 401k, it can continue growing through investments. If those investments increase in value, you generally don't pay taxes on those gains every year while the money stays inside the account. That allows your investments to keep compounding over time. Benefit number 3, employer match. This is my favorite benefit. It's also what caught my attention. Many employers will match part of what you contribute. For example, if you contribute $400, your employer might contribute another $400, which makes your total investment amount to be $800. Now, the company match varies. Some companies match 100%. Some match 50%. Some don't offer a match at all. But if your company does offer one, that's essentially free money. That's not interest. That's not a performance bonus. That's a guaranteed immediate 100% return on your money before it's even touched the market. Now, no investment account is perfect. Here are a few limitations to keep in mind. Limitation number 1, your money is locked up until the age of 59 and a half. A 401k is designed for retirement. If you withdraw money before age 59 and a half, you may have to pay a 10% early withdrawal penalty, plus any taxes that apply. There are some exceptions, but for most people, this isn't money you should plan to use anytime soon. Limitation. Number 2, fees. Every 401k plan charges fees. The amount depends on the company managing your retirement plan and the investment options you choose. Some plans are inexpensive, others can be more costly. It's worth checking your plan to understand what you're paying. Limitation number 3, limited investment choices. Unlike a regular brokerage account where you can buy almost anything, your 401k usually offers a limited list of investment options selected by your employer. For most people, that's perfectly fine. But if you like picking individual stocks, your choices may be limited. Some plans offer a self-directed brokerage account, which allows you to trade individual stocks similar to a regular brokerage account. It's best that you find out what your employer's plan offers. After further research and study, I also want to share a few things you should keep in mind before start investing. Number 1, contribution limits. Every year, the IRS sets a maximum amount you can contribute. That limit usually increases over time because of inflation. If you're age 50 or older, you're also allowed to contribute extra money through what's called a catch-up contribution. For example, the limit for 2025 was $23,500, and this year, 2026, is $24,500. If you are 50 years and older, you can put extra $7,500 in 2025 and $8,000 in 2026. If you exceed the limit, the IRS imposes a 6% excise tax every year until it's removed, so be careful not to exceed the annual amount. Number 2, contribution flexibility. You're in control of how much you contribute, and you can usually increase, decrease, or stop your contributions whenever you want. Number 3, tax upon withdrawal. One important thing to remember is that a traditional 401k isn't tax-free forever. Because you received a tax break when you contributed the money, you'll generally pay ordinary income taxes when you withdraw it during retirement. Many people expect to be in a lower tax bracket after they retire, which is one reason this strategy can work well. Number 4, your company may also offer a Roth 401k. If you select this option, you pay taxes now, but qualified withdrawals in retirement, including investment growth, are generally tax-free. If you'd like me to explain a little more about Roth 401k, let me know in the comments. Finally, what happens if you leave your job? The money in your 401k is still yours. You generally have 4 options. Leave it where it is, roll it into an IRA, roll it into your new employer's 401k plan, or option number 4, cash it out. Be very careful with this option because it could trigger taxes and penalties if you're not yet at the retirement age. Regarding the employer portion of the contribution, it depends on the company's vesting policy. So be sure to double check that before leaving your job. Looking back, I'm really glad I took the time to learn the basics of a 401k. When I did the math, everything became even clearer. Let's say my employer contributes an average of $2,500 a year through the match. If that money is invested and earns an average 7% annual return for 35 years, it could grow to about $350,000. Think about that. I didn't have to work overtime. I didn't have to start a second job. I didn't have to find the next hot stock. All I had to do was contribute enough to receive my employer's full match. That's why I signed up immediately. If your employer offers a 401k match, take a few minutes to understand how it works. It could be one of the easiest financial decisions you'll ever make, and if you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification. My goal is to help you avoid expensive financial mistakes and build wealth one smart decision at a time. I'll see you in the next video.